Once again, welcome student. In last session, we started our first chapter, that is computer networking. In that we saw what is computer networking, advantages of computer networking, types of computer networking based on distance as well as on hardware and software use. Then we saw internet and intranet. Then networking devices, network softwares, transmission media, in which we saw wired network, which is called as a guided medium. Now in this session we will start wireless network medium, which is also called as a unguided medium. As you know, in wired network medium, which is also called as a guided medium, we use fixed path on which data travels. Means in that we are using any wire to carry or to send the signal from one device to another. But in wireless network medium, which is also called as a unguided medium, there is no physical path, means there is no use of any wire to carry or to travel the signals. So different wireless technologies used for establishing a network are Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi and WiMAX. So first we see about Bluetooth. In Bluetooth, it is a short-range communication technology which uses radio waves to exchange data signals between the devices. This is mainly used to connect mobile devices like cell phones, laptops, tablets, etc. to help them exchange their data with each other in a personal area network. Bluetooth enabled devices can communicate within an area up to 10 meters, means near about 30 feet, at a speed of less than 1 Mbps. Next is infrared. This is another short range wireless communication technology in which infrared light is used to send the data from one device to another. We see the use of this technology in the remote control units of TV or DVD and other electronic gadgets. It is also used in automatic door systems and wireless speakers, etc. A major disadvantage of this technology is that infrared signals cannot pass through the obstacles. Means जो इंफ्रारेड के जो सिग्नल्स रहते हैं वो किसी ऑब्स्टैकल्स के थ्रू पास नहीं हो सकते. The devices aligned with each other can only communicate using this technology. और एक दूसरा है कि जो डिवाइस उस रिमोट के साथ अलाइन किया है वही डिवाइस उस रिमोट के साथ कंट्रोल हो सकता है. कोई अदर डिवाइस हम उसके साथ कंट्रोल नहीं कर सकते. नेक्स्ट टेक्नोलॉजी इज वाईफाई टेक्नोलॉजी. नाउ व्हाट इज़ द वाईफाई? इसका फुल फॉर्म होता है वायरलेस फिडिलिटी. This network is basically used in to establish wireless local area network, that is the WLAN. देखो बहुत बार पूछा जाता है what is the full form of WLAN? The full form of WLAN is wireless local area network, which providing wireless internet access to the mobile users with the help of Wi-Fi hotspot. Just like Bluetooth, this technology is also used in cell phones, laptops, PDAs, tablets, etc. Wi-Fi hotspot acts like an access point for accessing network services, as one hotspot can provide access to 30 users within a range of 100 to 300 feet. Means near about 30 to 100 meters. Means यहाँ पे वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट रहता है जिसके द्वारा हम विद द हेल्प ऑफ पासवर्ड उस वाईफाई हॉटस्पॉट के साथ कनेक्ट हो सकते हैं और इंटरनेट का शेयरिंग या फिर डेटा शेयरिंग कर सकते हैं. तो लो फ्रिक्वेंसी रेडियो वेव्स आर यूज टू ट्रांसमिट डेटा यूजिंग द वाईफाई टेक्नोलॉजी. यहाँ पे लो फ्रिक्वेंसी रेडियो वेव्स का यूज़ किया जाता है टू ट्रांसफर द डेटा. So next is WiMAX. WiMAX stands for Worldwide Interportability for Microwave Access. It is a long distance wireless communication technology which uses high frequency microwaves to establish network connection. So here we are using high frequency microwaves to connectivity. It is mainly used to provide broadband access to the user up to the range of 30 miles, means near about 50 kilometers for fixed devices, and 3 to 10 miles, means 5 to 15 kilometers for the mobile devices. To establish this network, there is need of towers like cell phones which are connected to the internet using standard wired हाई स्पीड कनेक्शन। अब इस टेक्नोलॉजी में जैसे मोबाइल के लिए टावर की ज़रूरत होती है, तो सेम यहाँ पे भी अगर आपको कनेक्टिविटी लेनी है तो उसके लिए टावर की ज़रूरत होती है।